What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Range Rover Evoque that we have right here with us, and just check out how beautiful this color looks, man. This is the Carpathian Grey is what they call it, and dude just check out how cool this color looks. It's not like any regular grey, you know, this is some sophisticated kind of a look, and it does look absolutely stunning, man. To me, it's sleek. You got some amazing bronze finishing on the hood, on the front fender and things like that. But before we get right to the details of the interior and things like that, let us take a look at the front lights first thing. Now, these are the gorgeous lights that we have for the Range Rover Evoque. As you can see, your DRLs should be located right down here. Your main headlights are on the inside together with your high beam, and your turn indicators should also be somewhere around here. So, gorgeous finish for a front light. Now, the bottom part of your front bumper, you do get this amazing bright bronze or goldish finish kind of things happening right here, which does look very nice. You do get some gloss black finishing on the inner part right here together with the bottom part right here. Very, very nice to take a look at. Blends in really well with the Carpathian Grey. Now, you do have your other lights down here. I believe these should be your turn indicators. We'll turn them on later to show it to you guys. But nevertheless, these are your sensors. This would be your tow hook for your tow hook usage in case you need to pull this car out from anywhere. But nevertheless, you do get some gloss black finishing down here for the front bumper, which does look very, very stylish indeed. Even down here as well, it's a very nice design like for a front bumper. You do get this black grille that we have right here. You get your 360 camera located right at the center below the number. Now, it's not always you get your 360 camera located down here. Sometimes they are up here, right? But in this case for Range Rover, they are right down here. Now, the reason why this has a approved number plate is because this vehicle is actually for sale, because it is a approved car for you guys to purchase by Range Rover itself. So amazing. You do get this amazing grey finish of a front grille with your Land Rover badge right here. Beautiful. You do get the Range Rover wording also in this particular finishing, which looks absolutely stunning. Very sleek. Blends in really well with the color Carpathian Grey. For the front hood, let's take a look at this. You got your gloss black finishing right here, and also you get this bronze-like finish for a hood kind of a scoop. I love it, man. You get what I mean? When the light hits the car, can you see how the grey looks, and then it blends in with the black, and then suddenly you got this color right there with the lines. Amazing. You do get some lines on the front hood, which is the top right here, comes back down. I like how it's curvy and bendy towards the front part of the hood. Does look very nice indeed. Even the sides right here have these lines, so it is a gorgeous finish as well for the front part of the car. Now, let's move down to the side. First thing you notice is you got amazing multi-spoke wheels, which are 20-inch. Now, we will take a look at the tire size right now, which is 235/50 R20. Beautiful. Now, the tire they're using are Pirelli tires, Scorpion Zero is what they call it. Amazing indeed. Just check out the finishing of the multi-spoke wheel. You got some grey finishing on the inner part, you got the silver lining on the outside, you got your Land Rover wording right here. Love those lock nuts happening right here. Amazing color to blend in very well with the wheels. So it does create that very nice and stylish look. Solid disc brakes for the back right there. Your brake caliper is right there. Very nice indeed. Now, you do have an amazing wheel arch. Love how it looks. Check out the spring right there on the inside. Amazing. Now, you do have the side part of the hood. I like how it bends like that. And then you get this gloss black finishing at the side together with this, once again, similar color towards the front hood, which is bronze lining right there. Very, very nice. Side mirrors in black. You get your whole part right here for the center portion of the car in black. Doesn't blend in with the top and the bottom, so the middle section is just in black. So very nice. Even this part, beautiful. So side mirrors in black, as I mentioned. Turn indicator should be right here. You got your gloss black finishing right here, and also underneath the mirror you get your 360 camera right there. So amazing finish as well. Mirror right there. You do have your door handles that pop up like this. So let's open it up. And before that, wait a minute, take a look at the bottom piece right here. I love those black linings and the bottom black lining. So you get what I mean? The center here is still the body color, but this is black and this is black. So this and this follows the body color. So it is looking very, very nice indeed. Now let's open up the front passenger door. Before we get right to the interior, let us first admire the door. Now of course you get a door looking like this with the frame on. You do have your Meridian speakers right there, very nice indeed. You have your handle to hold to pull to close the door. I like how there's some opening here. You have your your lock button right here, and your window adjustments up and down together with your handle to open up the door. You got some gloss black finishing. You got this gunmetal sort of look over here as well, beautiful. Got this leather finishing right here, leather finishing right here. Down here, you do have this different sort of fabric, but it's looking very premium and solid as well. I like how this looks. Now you have some hard plastic on the inside right there, amazing indeed. Speaker for the Meridian is down here together with here as well. So beautiful layout for your door. Okay, you do get this rubberized finish right here, very nice. I believe this is to protect for the rain and water and things like that, so it doesn't dirty any part right here. So imagine you get down and your leg is rubbing against this, so you don't have to worry, there's not going to be any water right here. So amazing. So now down here, Range Rover wording right here, the plate, fantastic. Do have this amazing ebony grained leather seats. That's what they call it, and I love how it looks, feels. At the same time, if you're here right now, you're able to smell it. It's absolutely premium, man. Now let's jump right in to show you guys how amazing this actually feels to be sitting in one. Love this. Amazing dashboard. Love this finishing. Not sure you can see it, but there's amazing texture right here. Speaker goes right there. This car comes with a head-up display as well for the driver. Fantastic. I love how they have this very luxury looking screen, as you can see. Beautiful, man. So down here you get your wireless charging going on. You got your USB Type-C happening right here. Some other storage place down here. Love how clean this looks, man. Your gear, drive, reverse, neutral, P. Just check that out, man. Super clean. Love the finishing at the side right here, including right there. Love the chrome lining that's happening over here. Very nice indeed. 2 cup holders down here. You also have your other stuff that's happening right on this side. There we go. USB-C, Type-C, together with your other connectivities, which is your micro nano SIM. Sorry, your nano SIM card. Amazing that they have that there. So beautiful touch indeed. Let's push this back down. Push this back down. And this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Of course, the seat feels comfortable. Love the black seat belts on this car. You do get your fabric lining of a roof lining, including right here as well. So all of these is all fabric. And you have this as well, which is your own mirror to take a look at yourself. Fantastic. And on top here, you get your sunglass holder where you can actually keep your glasses right here. Amazing indeed. Push this back down. You got your lighting right here. You got your speakers, and amazing mirror that you have right here. Frameless mirrors, which also have a very clear view, rear view mirror is what they call this spec for. Check it out. Amazing indeed, man. Of course, this car is started, then at least you get to see more things in person, but nevertheless, check out how the driver's seat actually looks like. Now, we will sit in the driver's seat in a while more, but nevertheless, let's get right down. So as I mentioned, it's high, and if water touches or whatnot, see how? If my leg is rubbing against it, I need to worry about that because it's being protected by this, so you're not going to be having any of that over there. So cool. Open up the rear doors. And right now we are taking a look at the back right here. Now, once again, I have to say I love the design-like finish for the door. Chrome door handles right here. You got your window adjustments up and down. Meridian speakers right there. Love the grain leather finish that we have right here, here, down here, even here as well. So just love it, man, dude. Hard plastic on the inside right here. Speakers right there. Meridian once again. Even at the back right here, you have this covered, so not to worry about that. Your leg is not going to be hitting anything right here, so cool. Plates right here, metal plates for the side. Now let's hop right in and show you guys how the rear actually looks like. So this is me sitting comfortably. You got some storage space right here. Take a look. This is exactly an amazing view for you guys to be taking a look at. This is me sitting comfortably right at the rear. I got my seat belts here in black, of course. and the seat feels comfortable as always for any Range Rover car. Let's pull this down. You got your amazing 2 cup holders right here. Fantastic, fantastic. Let's push this back. Take a look down here. Your air vent adjustments are down here. You have your USB Type C as well as your 12 volt socket underneath here. Very cool. Now let's hop right into the center a little bit, and this is exactly what we're looking at once again. This is me sitting comfortably right at the center. Again, the roof is fantastic. Everything is just good. Door is right there, so let's push this and let's get right down to show you guys the rear wheel of this amazing car. Now, down at the rear wheel, okay, once again, Scorpion tires, Pirelli car tires, right? So that's really cool. Pirelli is down there. Tire size 235/50 R20. You do get your two-tone finish of a wheel. I like how this grey finish is on the inside, silver on the outside. Land Rover wording right here. Solid disc brakes at the back right there. So very, very cool finish of a rear wheel. Fantastic. Now you do have your opening right here. Very cool indeed. For your fuel. Push this back down. Now let's jump right to the back, and you will notice that you do have an amazing rear end of this car. Love the Range Rover wording in this color. Of course, this is a approved car, so your number plate is right there. Your EVOQUE wording right there, blending really well with the same finishing for the Range Rover word. You get your reflectors right here. I believe these should be your turn indicators, or is it up there, your turn indicators? This should be your rear fog lamp or reverse lights. Sensors right here. You do get your tow hook goes right there, sensors. You do get this bronze finishing. I like this color right here. I love the black finish right here. Amazing rear diffuser, super sleek, and at the same time it looks very much aggressive, dude. You know, you get what I mean? Looks good, man. You do have an amazing brake light that goes right here. Love this finishing shark fin antenna. Beautiful. Your wiper is hidden right there. Very cool. Let's open the rear boot up. 360 camera, of course, camera goes right there. And check out the boot space for this car. Amazing. You got 12 volt socket happening right here. Your net goes right there. And what's underneath here, of course, would be your temporary spare tire for your car. Amazing. They have all of the necessary things for you to actually change it. Now you do have your hook right here for you to actually hook some stuff if you don't wish to be having them rolling around, so you can do that. You can even take this off if you wish to. You just got to unhook it from here. But nevertheless, let's now fold down the rear seats to show you guys the space. Check that out, man, dude. Amazing layout, beautiful appearance for a car like this. Now let's fold down this particular seat as well. Up, and just check that out, man. Amazing layout. Amazing storage space, tons of things that you can actually store. You can just take this whole thing off, which is fantastic, man, dude. Now, let's open up this door right here, and let's get right down to the driver's seats. But before that, let's take a look at the doors. You do get your child lock for the rear doors as well. You do have it window adjustments at the back and front. You do have your side mirror adjustments over here, unlock and lock. Your handle to open up to close the door also right here. Love the finishing that's happening right here, man. You get what I mean? I like this shape that goes like that. Grain leather finish, check this out, beautiful. Like this, I like this, leather. Hard plastic on the inside. You got your speaker, Meridian speakers right there, very nice. You got your sport pedals right there. I like the chrome finishing that on the sport pedals, makes it look super sporty. Range Rover wording right there. You got your front hood opening, which we will do that in a while more. Carpet, fantastic. Seat adjustments right here. Now, of course, the doors have been open for quite some time, but nevertheless, let's try and give this car some sort of power for it to come back to life as it has been. Yeah, cool. Now, yes, now it's a bit lively, so that's kind of cool. So we do have the driver's seat right here, and this is me sitting comfortably right on this side. And check this out, fantastic layout. Love how the car actually looks. And your steering wheel is super clean. Love the Range Rover wording right here. I like the airbag right there. amazing settings for you to control this screen, or maybe this is to control this screen, but these ones are to control other stuff such as your cruise control and things like that. So I love the textured like lines that are on the steering wheel that are all connected in some sort of way that goes around the whole steering. So that's really, really beautiful about this car. Damn, looks fantastic. Head-up display, as I mentioned, right down here. Beautiful layout. You got your front mirror over here as well. Very, very nice indeed. So let's now try to turn on the lights to see whether it's able to turn on. But nevertheless, let's get to the front. Check this out, man, dude. Whew. Damn, this car looks absolutely stunning, man, dude. Damn. Love those lights, man, dude. The lights are fantastic, dude. Just check out the lines, man. From the front, from the side. Damn. Okay, cool. So what about the back? The back right here, got some amazing lines, but we gotta close the rear boot, so let's close that. And let's take a look, man. Check this out. Gorgeous finish. Love how it's like cutting up like this. I like how it's just joining up and then going back up again and going that way. So beautiful indeed. Now let's also take a look at the hazard lights. Pop, pop, pop. And of course your side mirror has the turn indicator right here. And also you have the whole DRL just pop up and become like that. So that's really, really nice indeed. Once again, Carpathian grey. Carpathian grey is what they call it. You got your grain leather interior for the inside, and it does look absolutely stunning. You got your 400-watt sound system for Meridian, and on top of that you have your 3D surround camera, as well as your clear sight rear view camera is what they call it. Fantastic car indeed. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Range Rover cars, do head down to Sime Darby, where you can locate this car right here, and of course many more other cars all over the place. And yeah, I'll be making videos of each and every car in a while more. But yeah, let's check this car out. Love the color. Like how it blends in really well. You guys got to be here to see it and feel it. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.